This is a police station. Yay. Let me get my police uniform. Boop, boop. My police uniform. Okay, now we go up this ladder. Or staircase, whatever you want to call.
Okay.
We open this door. We come outside. You can see the whole jail.
Jail?
Yeah.
Where?
This one. This is the whole jail. / prison. That's the yard and everything. Now we're getting a helicopter. Helicopter!
Oh, wow.
I actually really love a helicopter. Yeah, a helicopter, not to tour you. Okay, so we're... let's go. You want to see something new?
Yes.
Okay, so you already saw this bank, right? This is the bank.
Yes.
And I was going this way. And this was the police station we were just at.
Okay.
And this is the museum. Say somewhere here. Go. Let's just land there. This is the museum. Like you can see, there's dinosaur bones and everything in there. You see, right? There's a dinosaur bone over there.
Yes.
Yeah. And yeah, that's the. And now you want to go to the power plant?
Yeah, sure.
Look, there's a train here.
Where?
Train.
Yes.
Hey.
Yes.
This is the power plant.
Where?
This one. This is where all like the energy is made.
Okay.
And there's this giant bridge. It goes straight, and there's this end of the road, which goes on this Golden Gate Bridge. See it? It's like red. See it?
Wow.
And this is the cargo / airplane area.
Okay.
So if we land here, I guess. So there's this red airplane over here.
Yes.
But it's $200,000. We only have $200.
Okay.
Because it's a new account.
Yes.
And yeah, every now and then there's this giant plane which lands here, but it's like every 30 minutes.
Okay. And
yeah, that's pretty much it. Where do you want to go now? You want to see the donut shop?
Yes.
Okay, sure. This is the port. There's a giant crane and a lot of containers, right? That's the port. I'm pretty sure. I played this game so much. I love this game. Watch. It's a pretty big map, you can say. This is the donut shop. The donut shop.
Where?
Watch. This one. You see this giant pink donut?
Yes.
That's the donut shop.
Can we buy some donuts from there?
Oh, sure. Yeah. We land here. Da-da-da-da. Now we have a donut somewhere here.
Where?
You see this? Look. You see number 5?
Where?
Over
Yes.
Now we hold it out. And then if we press it, watch, we get it. We're gonna eat it.
Wow. It's so amazing.
We're gonna eat it.
Wow.
This is the $1 million store. Everything in here costs $1 million. So this is $1 million. That's $1 million. Nothing I can afford. Yeah, our helicopter's out here. You want to see the gas station?
Yeah.
Okay, go up, take a U-turn. This way. That's a fake gas station. The real gas station is over this way.
Okay.
Let's see. Come on. There's this road. We can take that, but it would take a long time. Yeah, this one you see here is the train station. There's a train every now and then there.
Okay.
And we have a gas station.
Wow.
Gas station.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the gas station owner. And yeah, there's also this truck here.
Mm-hmm.
It's $9,000.
Mm.
And yeah, now where do you want to go? Do you want to see the fire station?
Fire station?
Yeah, look.
Yeah, sure.
Going up here. This is the fire station with a fire truck.
Yes.
With $175,000.
Wow.
And look, the ladder goes up.
Mm.
And yeah, there's pretty much nothing in here. It's just a normal, fire station.
Yes.